We're back with John and we're going to talk about advanced record cleaning machines. This time, let's talk about the wet vacuum machine. John.
Okay. If we go back to the very beginning of wet vacuum machines, as far as I know, I think about the Keith Monk's machine that I talked about earlier. It left a really strong impression on me, and this was way back in the early 80s. About a decade later, I bought my first VPI record cleaning machine. We use VPI record cleaning machines in the basement of this store to clean nearly every used record that goes out. The VPI is an industrial grade machine. It can just work like a workhorse all day long. It does an excellent job of effectively and cost effectively cleaning dirty old used records.
John, can you tell us how the VPI machine works?
Yeah, the VPI machine it's a manual machine. The one we use in the store is a 16.5. It is a true workhorse. Now the way it works is you start the platter with the record. It's clamped down so the record doesn't move. With a hand bottle, you apply the liquid, which is a mix of distilled water and isopropyl alcohol. And you use a brush, a special brush that you hold down into the spinning vinyl, and you sort of angle that a certain way. I've been doing this for so long, I have this method where I sort of angle it, jiggle it a little bit, and I know I'm pushing on it hard enough because I can actually hear the torque of that motor change, and I know I have it just right. So I just give that a few rotations with the brush into the grooves of the record. The spring-loaded arm has a slot up the center of a tube. It has a couple of velvet pads, and when I hit a vacuum that's attached to this, the spring load brings that arm back down on the record and it completely removes the liquid. It does an amazing job. The results I see, from just these cleanings with the VPI, I can turn a very dirty, fingerprint-laden record into a shining, quiet, beautiful disc.
Thanks, John. That was fascinating. We spoke about the wet vacuum machine, and next time we'll talk about the ultrasonic machine.